channel. Today we have a Bath and Body Works haul. It's very small, so we're gonna get right into it. The first thing I want to talk about is the candles, because I got only 2 this time around, and I got the first one. It's called Coffee and Whiskey, and this is what it looks like. Hopefully it's zooming in, and this is the Coffee and Whiskey, and it has a white or like a cream lid, and it says White Barn on it. And then on the bottom it just has the notes, and I'll read those to you. The notes for this one have bold Irish whiskey, splash of vanilla, hint of coffee with natural essential oils. And the reason I got this because it said coffee in it, not about whiskey, because I don't drink, so I don't even know what whiskey smells like. Oh, this smells good. Oh, it smells really nice. This smells like a nice hot cup of coffee. And if you had like a caramel on top, and like some ginger snap cookies on the side. That's what it smells like to me. So I can't wait to burn this one. So that's Coffee and Whiskey. It's called Fireside. I think I've purchased this one before. This is definitely a different sleeve on it, and I got it because I think it will look really nice in my living room, like match the aesthetic that I have right now. And the lid is just silver, and the lid, if you can see, is already scratched up, which I was really surprised because usually the candles don't look like they've been worn or whatever. And the notes on the Fireside one is smoked cedar, fresh clove bud, warm embers with natural essential oils. And this one, yes, you can right away smell the cedar. And do I smell the cloves? I don't really smell the clove. I smell more the embers and the cedar. So I think I've gotten this one before. So this one for me is more like a woodsy type scent. So like if you want something that's kind of reminding you of being, you know, in a cabin by a fireside. So very accurate description. It smells really good. So I feel like this one is softer when you smell it. And this one is definitely more like if you are someone who likes coffee, definitely recommend them. So these are the 2 candles that I picked up. Then I picked up some hand soaps because I haven't gotten hand soaps from them in quite some time. And I got the first one here is Toasted Butterscotch Latte. And I don't think this one says the notes, does it? Oh yeah, it does says the notes. Let me just show you. I always get the foaming one. And hopefully it's focusing. And this is what it looks like. And the notes are toasted butterscotch, whipped vanilla, and a salted caramel drizzle. And I absolutely love the way that sounds. So I'm going to see if I can open it to smell it. How to force it a little bit there. Oh my god, this smells exactly like caramel. This smells like butterscotch. If you like the way butterscotch smells, you definitely want to get this one. This one smells exactly what it says. Because you know sometimes the descriptions it says one thing, but then when you smell it, it smells nothing like it. So far 3 out of 3 smell exactly what it describes. And then this one is from the White Barn, and it's the Sunrise Woods. And this is what it looks like. I really got it because, let me get this. Ooh, that was just my elbow. Of the color, I like the aesthetic of it. So this one is creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, and cozy cashmere. And I absolutely love the way sandalwood smells. I don't necessarily if it should have berries in it, but we're gonna see. Let me see if I can open this one too. I really like the neutral tone of it because these will be going in my bathroom. I definitely smell the berries. I don't smell sandalwood, honestly. It doesn't smell bad though. It smells like what is this reminding me of? I can't put my finger on it right now. It does not smell bad though. It's like, it's not sweet. Definitely not sweet, but this one I have to get back to you on it, and maybe in the comments I'll use this one first. But this one is Sunrise Woods, and I absolutely love the packaging. The next one is Toasted Vanilla Chai. You shouldn't be surprised that a lot of these are going to be vanilla. I absolutely love the scent of vanilla. And this one has, oh, actually put it up here so you guys can see it better. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's very like faceted. And those notes are whipped vanilla, spun sugar, and winter spice. So I'm expecting this to smell like a chai. This definitely smells like vanilla. And a hint, I'm gonna say a hint of chai. So the vanilla is a little bit, it's not overpowering, but it's the first thing you smell. So if you don't like vanilla, then don't get this one. But I love vanilla and I love chai, so I'm really liking this one as well. Like I said, the only one that I'm like, is this one, but I will still try it nonetheless. I hope I'm not spilling this because I just, looking at my desk, I see some might have spilled. And this one is called Cozy Vanilla Almond. And this is what that looks like. I got a lot of the ones that look very aesthetic. And that's what this one looks like, if you guys can see. And I think this is from White Barn also. Yeah, this is also from White Barn. And the notes are vanilla, orchid, sugared almond, and sweet musk. I know there was another one that I picked, but it sold out, so I had to add one in it because they were 5 for $25, I believe. This one definitely, for me, what is this one called again? Cozy Vanilla Almond. Yes, definitely. You smell the vanilla and the almond. Definitely smell the vanilla almond in it, but it smells good. What is that smell that reminds me of something? I can't think of what it is, but this one smells really good. So far, I think my favorite one from the ones we've smelled is the butterscotch so far. I really like that one a lot, surprisingly, because it's not the one that has the vanilla really prominent in it. And the last one is called Autumn S'mores, and this is just from the Bath and Body, and I'll show you that up close if I can, right there. Hopefully it's focusing. And the notes are crisp apple, gooey marshmallow, and cinnamon spice. And this sounded just tasty to me. And I love s'mores. But I'm surprised it has apples in it, but they probably did it because of the fall. I don't smell marshmallow. I definitely smell the cinnamon and the apple. So I think the apple and cinnamon are more prominent than anything in this one. But it's not bad because I'm usually not a fan of apple scents. So this is like the last one. So I'm going to, in order. So this comes in 5th. This one definitely comes in 3rd. I'm going to put this one 4th because I don't really know what it smells like. And then these are my top 2 right here are the toasted vanilla chai and the toasted butterscotch latte. Okay, everyone, so that closes out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini haul from Bath & Body Works. Let me know if you guys took advantage of the sale and what were some of your favorites that you picked up along the way. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.